Every year, the city of Gwangju in South Korea transforms into a vibrant celebration of flavors, traditions, and culture during the Gwangju World Kimchi Festival. Nestled in the heart of one of Korea's largest provinces, the festival serves as the ultimate homage to kimchi, the quintessential Korean dish renowned for its tangy flavor and its health benefits. For 1 week, crowds from all over the world gather to partake in a rich tapestry of events and experiences dedicated to kimchi. The air buzzes with excitement and the tantalizing aroma of fermented cabbage and radish melded with garlic, chili powder, and jiakgul, a traditional salted seafood. The festival does more than celebrate an iconic dish, it offers a journey through Korea's history, arts, and community spirit. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by a sprawling marketplace showcasing a bewildering variety of kimchi. Stallholders, dressed in traditional hanboks, display their treasured family recipes, offering samples of variations from different regions: Beichu kimchi with napa cabbage, kakakdu made from diced radishes, and white kimchi that's non-spicy but equally delicious. Panels and workshops by culinary experts provide deep dives into the kimchi making process, from selecting ingredients to fermentation techniques. These sessions are not mere lectures but hands-on experiences where attendees don aprons and try their hand at making their very own kimchi under the guidance of seasoned artisans. A highlight is the Global Kimchi Masters Contest, where contestants compete in various categories, including taste, creativity, and presentation. International participants bring unique twists to traditional recipes, adding a global flair to the event. On stage, folk performances and modern K-pop concerts keep the audience entertained, bridging generations and echoing the fusion of old and new that characterizes modern Korea. Chefs from Michelin-starred restaurants perform live cooking demonstrations, elevating the staple food into haute cuisine. The festival also addresses contemporary issues such as sustainability and health. Panels discuss the nutritional value of kimchi, its probiotic properties, and its role in promoting a balanced diet. Eco-friendly stalls advocate for sustainable farming practices, emphasizing the importance of organic ingredients. Youth participation is encouraged through engaging activities like kimchi-themed art competitions, scavenger hunts, and storytelling sessions. One of the most heartwarming traditions is the Kimjang event, where communities come together to prepare large batches of kimchi to be shared with the less fortunate. It is a modern-day manifestation of an age-old practice that embodies the spirit of sharing and caring. As the festival progresses, the flavors, sounds, and sights forge an indelible memory for all attendees. It is a living testament to the resilience and adaptability of Korean culture, where something as simple as fermented vegetables can unite people from diverse backgrounds. The Gwangju World Kimchi Festival is more than an event, it is a cultural tapestry woven with threads of tradition, innovation, and community.